Welcome to your advanced journey into nutrition. Today we're busting myths about foods that will never make you fat. According to a study by Johns Hopkins University, diet quality, not quantity, drives calorie intake. Let's cut through the clutter and explore the science-backed truth. Before diving into the types of food, it's essential you grasp how your body processes what you eat, and that's where metabolism comes in. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts food into energy. It's happening right now as you're watching this video. How efficiently your body does this is called your metabolic rate. Now, have you heard of the calories in versus calories out concept? It's a principle suggesting that as long as you're burning more calories than you're consuming, you won't gain weight. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch: not all calories are created equal. The thermic effect of food, that is, the calories your body uses to process different macronutrients, varies greatly. According to a study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, protein has a higher thermic effect than fats or carbohydrates, meaning your body uses more energy to process proteins. So, the calories in versus calories out concept is an oversimplification. It's not just about quantity but also the quality of those calories. Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned as we explore more. Alright, time to debunk another popular myth: zero-calorie foods. Zero-calorie foods are those that supposedly take more energy to digest than they provide in calories. But the fact is, these foods aren't truly zero-calorie. They simply have very few calories. Take celery, for instance. Often touted as a negative calorie food, a stick of celery provides about 6 calories. However, your body only uses a fraction of these calories to digest it. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, the calories your body spends on digestion, absorption, and disposal of food, the so-called thermic effect, accounts for only about 10 to 20% of the total calories of the food. So, while these foods are low in calories and great for weight management, it's a myth that eating them will result in a calorie deficit. It's more accurate to say they contribute minimally to your daily calorie intake. Understanding this can help you make more informed dietary choices. Let's keep debunking these myths together. Moving on, let's talk about something that's truly a game changer for weight management: fiber. It's a type of carbohydrate that your body can't fully digest. Why is this important? Because this indigestibility plays a crucial role in maintaining your weight. Fiber-rich foods like oats, legumes, and vegetables not only help keep your digestive system healthy, but they also make you feel full quicker and for a longer time. This satiating effect can help reduce your calorie intake without making you feel deprived. An observational study published in Nutrition Reviews found a correlation between higher dietary fiber intake and lower body weight. Furthermore, fiber can also have a positive impact on your metabolism. Certain types of fiber, like soluble fiber, can slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and reduce the likelihood of insulin spikes, as highlighted by the Mayo Clinic. This implies better blood sugar control and a more efficient fat-burning metabolism. Remember, dietary fiber is an unsung hero in the journey of weight management. Make it your friend. Next on our list are fruits and berries. Yes, nature's candy. They're not just delicious but are also powerhouses of essential nutrients, making them an integral part of a balanced diet. Fruits like apples, berries, and citrus fruits have a high water and fiber content. This not only aids in digestion but also makes you feel full without adding a lot of calories to your diet. Berries, for instance, are low in calories but high in fiber. A cup of raspberries or strawberries gives you 8 grams of fiber, according to the USDA Food Data Central. Furthermore, fruits are packed with vitamins and minerals essential for your health. Oranges, packed with vitamin C, aid in collagen production and immune function. Bananas, rich in potassium, can help in maintaining heart and muscle function. However, moderation is key. While fruits are healthier than processed sugar-laden snacks, they do contain natural sugars. So, keep an eye on your portion sizes. Include a variety of fruits in your diet to benefit from their unique nutrient profiles. Healthy eating can indeed be delicious. Proteins are the building blocks of your body, necessary for muscle growth, repair, and maintenance. They're also pivotal in weight management. Here's why. Lean proteins, such as chicken breast, fish, tofu, or eggs, provide a high satiety level, meaning they keep you feeling fuller for longer. According to a review published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, protein-induced satiety could be attributed to improved body weight regulation. But there's more to proteins than just satiety. As mentioned earlier, proteins have a high thermic effect, making your body work harder to digest them. The result? You burn more calories. Also, let's not forget the importance of protein in preserving muscle mass during weight loss, a point emphasized by a study from the International Journal of Obesity. So, while your workout routine is crucial, equally important is fueling your body with adequate protein to build and maintain muscle, which in turn helps keep your metabolism revved up. Remember, lean proteins are your allies in the quest for a fit body. Ever wondered why health experts often recommend cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts? Not only are these powerhouses of nutrients, but they also rank low on the calorie chart, making them perfect for weight management. Here's the deal with these green machines. They are high in fiber, which, as we've established, keeps you feeling full longer. But they're also packed with antioxidants and vitamins that support your overall health. For instance, broccoli is high in vitamin C and K, and it's an excellent source of folic acid, according to USDA's Food Data Central. Moreover, a study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics highlights that people who consume more servings of vegetables have lower BMI and less body fat. This is probably because vegetables are low in energy density, meaning they provide fewer calories than the same weight of other higher calorie foods. Incorporating more cruciferous vegetables into your diet is a delicious and nutritious way to fill up without adding extra pounds. Fill half your plate with these greens and see the magic unfold. Carbs have earned a bad rap in the world of weight loss, but here's the secret: not all carbs are created equal. Let's focus on legumes and whole grains, the so-called slow carbs. Legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, and whole grains, like brown rice, oats, and quinoa, are high in dietary fiber. These complex carbohydrates are digested slower than their refined counterparts, providing a steady release of energy, and thereby helping in blood sugar control. According to a review in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, dietary patterns high in whole grains are linked with lower body mass index, BMI, and reduced risk of weight gain. Moreover, legumes are also a good source of plant-based protein. As we learned earlier, protein can help with satiety, which can be beneficial in weight management. In a nutshell, choosing slow carbs over refined ones is a smart move. They not only nourish your body but also help you manage your weight by keeping you satiated longer. It's time to embrace the goodness of whole grains and legumes. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats lead to weight gain. In fact, healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, are a crucial part of a balanced diet and can actually aid in weight management. How, you ask? Firstly, fats increase satiety. They take longer to digest, keeping you feeling full longer and reducing the urge to snack between meals. Secondly, they're necessary for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, like A, D, E, and K. Let's consider avocados, for instance. They're high in monounsaturated fats, which according to a study published in Nutrition Journal, can help decrease abdominal fat. Or consider fatty fish like salmon, packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These have been found to increase feelings of fullness, according to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition. Remember, it's about choosing the right kind of fats and eating them in moderation. Eliminating them entirely is not the answer. Balance is the key to a healthy and fit body. Wrapping up, remember that achieving a fit body is not about fad diets or miracle foods. It's about understanding your body, nourishing it right, and maintaining a lifestyle that combines balanced nutrition with regular physical activity. Our exploration today, backed by scientific studies, aimed to debunk some myths and highlight the importance of food quality. Let's strive for health, not just a number on the scale. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you're in charge of your health journey.